Wherever this video finds you in time and space, hello and welcome. There's so many incredible moments that happen in tabletop games. New places to see, new encounters to overcome. Hero Forge's awesome Scene Maker tool, available to pro users, can take your minis and add them into gorgeous, dynamically lit, and vibrant environments. Eager to try it for yourself? Let's build some scenes together. Scene Maker is far beyond a static background. Each environment is a combination of an illustration and a 3D modeled environment. The illustration is laid over this model, creating depth in the image and cohesion with the 3D miniatures. Scene Maker also boasts dynamic lighting, so your minis and their environments have realistic shadows and highlights. Hero Forge is continuing to update Scene Maker with more scenes, so you'll have even more to experiment with. Let's start by opening Scene Maker. Mouse over to and click on the Booth menu. If you have an active Pro membership, you'll see the Scene submenu pop up at the bottom of the list. From here, select the scene you want to populate with characters. Above the list of scenes, you can see checkboxes for displaying a mini's base or base items that can be toggled on and off. There is also a plus sign icon for adding a character and a trash can for deleting them. You'll see a number of different blue circles in every scene. These blue circles show the different areas a mini can be placed in. You can use as many or as few of the placements as you like. To add a character to a scene, click the plus sign icon. This will open up your library of characters for you to pick from. When you select the mini you want, it will appear in one of the blue circles. While that mini is selected, you can click on the other blue circles to change its placement. Dragging your mouse right and left over the character will allow you to turn them right or left to better adjust their placement. To delete a character in a scene, click on their blue circle and then the trash can icon. Once you have finished your creation, you'll want to admire it and share it with your friends. Mouse over to the green capture button to download your scene at the default resolution and size. The green up caret beside the capture button will open up a variety of resolution and size options for you to pick from as well. A scene cannot be saved to your library like a mini, so make sure you download your scene once you're finished. Commemorate your party's accomplishments, invite players to a new game, or just tell your friends how much fun you're having adventuring with them using Hero Forge's Scene Maker. This is one of the many incredible tools that Hero Forge Pro users get access to, so be sure to check out the link in the description to find out more about Hero Forge Pro. You can also join our official Discord server to share and chat with fellow creators. Make sure you are subscribed to the Hero Forge YouTube channel and social channels so that you never miss out on a tutorial update. And remember, the real adventure is in your own creativity.